In this video, we will learn how to protect your cloud service interactions from unauthorized access using proven security patterns. Open service communication without authentication allows intruders to freely intercept or manipulate your sensitive cloud data. The Zero Trust model assumes no service is inherently safe and requires every single request to prove its identity. Identity tokens act like digital passports, carrying encrypted proof that a service is authorized to perform specific actions. Encrypted channels scramble your data in transit, ensuring that even if intercepted, the information remains completely unreadable to attackers. An API gateway functions as a bouncer that inspects every incoming request before granting access to your internal services. Centralizing authentication logic within the gateway simplifies management and ensures security policies are applied consistently across all services. Rate limiting protects your infrastructure by restricting the number of requests a single service or user can make. Detailed logs provide a trail of all service interactions, helping you detect and investigate potential security breaches quickly. Automating security patches keeps your services resilient against newly discovered vulnerabilities without requiring manual intervention. Isolating services limits the blast radius, ensuring that a compromise in one area does not affect your entire system. Combining identity tokens, encrypted channels, and gateways creates a multi-layered defense that keeps your cloud data secure. A hardened SOA environment improves business agility by allowing you to innovate faster without compromising your data privacy. By verifying every interaction, you build a resilient foundation that protects your company against modern cyber threats. Subscribe for more content like this and start your prep today.